And a good Monday to you. I'm meteorologist Cindy Fitzgibbon. A lot of clouds out there this morning. These are not going to stick with us the entire day. In fact, I expect midday into the afternoon a lot of sunshine to emerge, and that's going to boost the temperatures up. Notice the wind direction, though. It's a southwesterly wind developing this afternoon, about 5 to 15 miles per hour, but enough with that wind blowing off the colder ocean water to keep us in the 60s on the Cape and the South Coast. You can see elsewhere we jump into the 70s with the sunshine, about 75 Boston, low 70s through the Worcester Hills, mid to upper 70s Metro West, the Merrimack Valley. So a decent Monday, but you can see what's happening. It's already really warm to our south, cooler to the north. We've got a frontal boundary stalled just to our south. So as long as this stays away, we're going to keep the weather dry. Here's the thing, though. The front is going to start to lift toward us tomorrow, and that is going to bring in some showers and thunderstorms. And we're actually going to watch this front all week long. Late in the week and toward next weekend, some of this moisture may get involved. The Hurricane Center is keeping an eye on an area of low pressure here off the southwest Florida coast, bringing a lot of rain the next few days to the state of Florida, and then some of this tropical moisture, even if this develops, what's left of the tropical moisture may lift up the eastern seaboard late in the week and bring some unsettled weather for us Friday and into the start of the weekend. So we've got an active weather forecast starting with tonight as we bring back the clouds after a clear sky early on. We'll be in the 50s to around 60 tonight, and tomorrow is a warmer and kind of humid day as that front lifts on in. It'll bring in those showers and thunderstorms as we get into the afternoon. Temperatures, though, coming up close to 80 degrees away from the south coast and the Cape. Good likelihood of seeing severe storms to our south tomorrow, but one or two of these storms that work on into our area could contain some gusty winds and also a lot of lightning with these. Heavy rain, a medium impact, and it doesn't look like the setup is right for tornadoes tomorrow, but storm's going to be packing a punch as this front drops on in. And as everything shifts southward on Wednesday, once again, we'll dry things out and cool them down. So the temperature's really up and down with the movement of that front the next few days. We're up close to 80 tomorrow and then much cooler as we head toward the middle of the week. But tomorrow is an impact weather day for those storms. Now there's going to be a lot of cloud cover in the morning. Can't rule out a spot shower, but then the skies are going to brighten up midday, and that sunshine is going to add some instability. So as we get into the afternoon, you can see what happens. That line of storms is approaching 5 o'clock in the afternoon. A lot of folks have outdoor activities, a lot of sporting events after school. There will be some impact from some of these storms on those activities, also likely going to affect the evening commute. And the storms continue through about 8 o'clock in the evening. Once we get past then, things will tend to quiet on down, and we'll dry things out on Tuesday night. Dry, but clearing may be slow on Wednesday from north to south. And then there's a break in the action on Thursday. And then on Friday, we're going to start to watch some of that tropical moisture feed northward with our frontal boundary. So as we go from Friday into Saturday and possibly even into Sunday, there will likely be more showers and some thunderstorms. So as you can see, it's pretty active weather week ahead with a lot of temperature swings and temperatures mostly in the 60s to the lower 70s heading into next weekend.